Can you really transform your body by eating only raw foods for 7 days? We put the raw food lifestyle to the test. In this eye-opening video, we reveal what actually happens when you eat only raw foods for a week, from the first-day energy boost to the surprising effects on digestion, skin, sleep, and even mental clarity. Join us on this 7-day journey through colourful salads, fresh fruits, cold-pressed juices, and raw plant-based meals to find out whether the raw food diet trend lives up to the hype. Whether you're curious about detoxing, boosting your energy, or just want a health reset, this experiment gives you honest results, no fluff. Embarking on a raw food diet for a week means consuming only uncooked and unprocessed foods. This typically involves fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and sprouted grains, with a general guideline that food should not be heated above 104 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. The experience of a raw food week is highly individualized. What one person feels can be vastly different from another's journey. There is no single universal outcome. Several factors influence this experience. Your current dietary habits play a significant role, as does your overall health status. The specific raw foods you choose to consume also heavily impact the results. Many individuals report an immediate surge in energy when transitioning to a raw food diet. This often manifests as a feeling of lightness and increased vitality. Raw foods are packed with bioavailable vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. These nutrients are more easily absorbed by the body when not degraded by heat. This enhanced nutrient absorption can fuel cellular processes more efficiently. The abundance of these vital compounds leads to a noticeable increase in overall vitality. You might find yourself feeling more awake and alert throughout the day. This dietary shift can significantly reduce feelings of sluggishness. The absence of heavy processed foods means your digestive system isn't working overtime, freeing up energy for other bodily functions. Raw foods are naturally high in dietary fiber. This essential component adds bulk to stool and aids in its smooth passage through the digestive tract. The high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements. This can be a welcome change for those who struggle with irregularity. For many, a raw food diet can alleviate issues like constipation. The natural laxative effect of fiber helps keep the digestive system flowing smoothly. Beyond regularity, some individuals report a significant reduction in bloating. The enzymes present in raw foods are thought to assist in the breakdown of food, contributing to improved gut health and comfort. A raw food diet inherently focuses on whole, unprocessed foods. This eliminates many calorie-dense, nutrient-poor items common in standard diets. These foods are typically lower in calorie density compared to cooked or processed alternatives. You can consume a larger volume of food for fewer calories. Despite being lower in calories, raw foods are often higher in nutrient density. This means you get more essential vitamins and minerals per calorie consumed. The high fiber and water content in raw fruits and vegetables promotes satiety. You feel fuller for longer periods, which naturally reduces overall food intake. This increased satiety decreases the likelihood of overeating. The body receives the nutrients it needs, signaling satisfaction more effectively. The absence of processed sugars, unhealthy fats, and refined carbohydrates directly contributes to decreased body fat. This makes a raw food week a popular choice for those looking to kickstart weight management. During the initial transition to a raw food diet, your body may experience what are often called detoxification symptoms. This is a common adjustment challenge. These symptoms can include headaches, fatigue, and even skin breakouts. Some individuals report flu-like symptoms, such as body aches or a general feeling of malaise. These effects are often attributed to the release of stored toxins from the body. As the body cleanses itself, these temporary discomforts can arise. It's important to understand that these symptoms are usually temporary. They typically subside as your body adapts to the new dietary regimen. Staying well hydrated is crucial during this phase. Drinking plenty of water can help flush out toxins and alleviate some of the discomfort. Listening to your body and resting when needed is also vital. This allows your system to adjust without undue stress. A primary concern with any restrictive diet, including a raw food diet, is the potential for nutritional deficiencies if not carefully planned. A poorly designed raw food week can lack essential nutrients. Several key nutrients are particularly at risk. These include vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are often found in higher concentrations in animal products. For those adhering strictly to a plant-based raw diet, sourcing them requires careful attention. For example, vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, making supplementation often necessary for long-term raw vegans. Iron and calcium can be obtained from plant sources, but absorption can be a challenge. Omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain and heart health, are abundant in certain fish. Plant-based sources like flax seeds and chia seeds offer alpha-linolenic acid, which the body converts to EPA and DHA, but this conversion can be inefficient. If these deficiencies persist, they can lead to various health consequences. These include fatigue, weakness, impaired cognitive function, and other more serious health problems over time. Therefore, even for a single week, it's wise to ensure a diverse intake of raw foods. This helps mitigate the risk of immediate nutrient shortfalls. Adopting a raw food diet, even for a week, presents significant social challenges. Eating out with friends or family can become particularly difficult. Most restaurant menus offer limited raw food options beyond a basic salad. This can make social gatherings centered around food feel isolating. The availability of suitable raw food options is not always guaranteed. Finding fresh, high-quality produce and raw ingredients can be challenging depending on your location. Preparing raw meals often requires a significant time commitment. Unlike simply heating a pre-made meal, raw food preparation is hands-on. Tasks include extensive washing, chopping, and blending. You might find yourself spending more time in the kitchen than usual. This can be a barrier for individuals with busy schedules. Meal prepping in advance can help, but it still demands dedicated time. The need for specialized equipment, like high-speed blenders or dehydrators, can also be a consideration. While not strictly necessary for a week, they enhance the variety of raw dishes. Maintaining variety to prevent boredom is another practical challenge. Relying on just a few staple raw foods can quickly lead to monotony. A week on a raw food diet offers a unique experience with both potential benefits and inherent risks. It's a dietary experiment that can yield interesting insights into your body's responses. Crucial planning is absolutely essential before embarking on this dietary change. Simply cutting out cooked foods without thought can lead to an unbalanced intake. Ensure a balanced intake of various raw foods to cover your nutritional bases. Incorporate a wide array of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and sprouts. Before making any significant dietary changes, especially one as restrictive as a raw food diet, consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. Their guidance can help you navigate potential pitfalls. This professional consultation is particularly important if you have any underlying health conditions. Certain medical conditions may be exacerbated by such a restrictive diet. Listen to your body throughout the week. Pay attention to how you feel, both physically and mentally. Remember, a short-term dietary experiment like this is different from a long-term lifestyle. It can be a valuable learning experience, but always prioritize your health and well-being. We tracked physical changes, cravings, mood swings, and nutritional challenges, so you can know what to expect if you try this raw reset yourself. Have you tried this health tip? Share your experience below and pin a comment, and please share your favorite healthy foods. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.